What's going on, you guys? Check it, right? Well, for today's topic of the video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your own liquid fertilizer from home. Now, this liquid fertilizer right here is called a nitrogen fertilizer. The contents that are inside of this container right here is mango peels. Make sure to clean the container to remove all the unnecessary toxins. Make sure you fill your container with clean water. At this phase, make sure you put all your mangoes inside of the container filled with water. Find the hot spot for your container so that the fertilizer can start brewing. Now, as you can see, my mango peels are starting to decay, and after a few weeks they will dissipate inside of this water, and then I strain them and then I start using them inside of my garden. So the process of creating your own liquid nitrogen fertilizer carries out for about 3 to 4 weeks, depending on the temperature of your atmosphere. Now, to further continue with the process of creating our home-based fertilizer, I'm going to introduce banana peels. Now, banana peels contain calcium, which promotes root growth and helps to add oxygen to your soil, magnesium, which assists with photosynthesis, sulfur, which helps your plants to develop strong roots and repel pests, phosphorus, which improves fruiting and flowering and assists in pollination and seed germination viability. Now, when it comes to your banana peels, you can either choose to utilize wet banana peels or dried banana peels, it doesn't matter. The benefit of nitrogen in plants. Nitrogen is essential for plants because it's a key to component of chlorophyll, amino acids and proteins, and plays a role in plant processes. Now, make sure to add enough banana peels to your liquid fertilizer, as we do not want to have lack of nutrients. Now, after that, make sure you stir it thoroughly so that it can be consistent. After that, we are going to close our container and put it in a hot spot so that it can continue with the process of brewing. Nitrogen is also a component of a chlorophyll molecule, which enables plants to capture sunlight energy by photosynthesis, driving plant growth and grain yield. Nitrogen plays a critical role within the plant to ensure energy is available when and where the plant needs to optimize yield. The time it takes for liquid fertilizers to work depends on the type of fertilizer, the weather, and the condition in your garden. A fast-release fertilizer works within a day or two. Quick-release synthetic works in 24 hours or 48 hours. Quick-release organic works in 48 hours to 72 hours. Environmental conditions like temperature and humidity can also affect how quickly liquid fertilizer works. For example, applying liquid fertilizer on a hot sunny day may be faster than applying on a cool sunny day. Now, what is important right now, after stirring your liquid fertilizer to a consistency, is to make sure that you close your liquid fertilizer and put it in an area where it's cool or warm, so that the process of brewing can carry on. So this fertilizer should be ready in about 4 to 6 weeks. After that, we are going to start to utilize it in our garden. Now that we have come to the end of our video, please like and subscribe on the Boys YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated, and I will show you the results of this fertilizer on a new video. Thank you very much.